Day 2 of deliberations for the Raul Valley murder case set to begin. Valley is accused of killing one teen, stabbing 3 others at a house party in Shelton back in 2022. Your reporter Marcy Jones live outside the Milford Courthouse for us once again this morning. Marcy, the jury came back deadlocked on one key charge. So what does that mean going into today?
Good morning, Kate. Well, just 2 hours into beginning deliberations, the jurors came back and sent a note to the court saying, quote, they were hopelessly deadlocked on the murder charge, to which the judge said, hey, look, there's a lot of evidence to consider. There's a lot of testimony to consider here, and implored them to go back and try again. Deadlocked is also referred to as a hung jury, and in the court of law means jurors are unable to come to a unanimous decision on a verdict. When jurors definitively can't come to a united decision after a reasonable amount of time, the case ends in a mistrial, meaning the trial essentially needs to be thrown out, and the case may need to be retried with a new jury. However, the judge made it clear she does not believe the jury spent enough time in deliberations, reminding jurors they must deliberate each count. In this case, 4 counts, intentionally and separately.
Look, I recognize that most of you, if not all of you, have never been through this process before. There are numerous exhibits and many days of evidence to consider. I did instruct you to consider all the evidence. By the court's estimate, at the time that we received the note, which was 12:47 p.m., you had been deliberating for just about 2 hours or less.
Jurors went home at around 4:45 yesterday afternoon and are expected to be back here at 10 this morning to begin their second day of deliberations. Your reporter in Milford, Marcy Jones, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Marcy, thank you.